Hi, good morning to all of you. So, today, what I thought was I will introduce you to my most favorite spot, which I come every day in the morning, my plants. These are my plants. So, where do I start? Let me start from my omum, or this is called ajwain. Such beautiful thick leaves. It's so aromatic, and this is basil. A kind of tulasi. I use it. It's really aromatic. I sometimes use it for noodles. I use it for herbal concoction. It's all my wish. Whatever I use it for, that's what I say. There is no hard and fast rule in making things. Make your own rules. And this is Vishnu Tulasi. They call it a black one. They say it's very auspicious. These are my beautiful roses. One, two, three, it's four and five. And this is my red one. A bud is there. Maybe in today there's no bloom. This is my avarekai. Beans. How many? One, two, three. I think I'll get around 200 grams for my next harvest. It's so awesome to touch, it has to be experienced, the joy of gardening is not a very big deal. People think that it's a lot of putting hard. No, not at all. You start with one and slowly you grow along with it. My beetle leaves, see, there are so many shades of green here. See, this is one shade. You have dark green also here. See, you have dark green also. Here it is. So there are three plants here of beetle, because I use it for so many things in my veg smoothies, simply like that after my food. My lemon. You can use this for noodles also, it gives that very aromatic feel to your noodles. Just two leaves, even in your soups. And then take out the leaves after the aroma. You don't have to buy lemongrass for that. This is, yes, you have guessed, this is bitter gourd, or pavaka they call. When checking out pavaka, the pleasure, it's nice to just check out where these things are hiding here. Huh? One, see, just cradling it in my hand, in my palm, gives such pleasure. This is one bitter gourd, okay. A normal tulasi, and you have this bougainvillea. This is my curry leaves plant. This was gifted to me around 20 years back, and I am taking it wherever I go. Given to me by my son's friend's mom. As you get, this is hibiscus. I have 3 hibiscus here. That is, this color is so beautiful, no? Double color. God is so, in His creations. This is pink. So today there is no bloom. I am not able to show, but there are a lot of buds here. And now I move on to red. Every day I get around a bunch of flowers. Yesterday I picked up lots. So today maybe I have to wait for another day. While on this plants, and have you ever taken cutting from a mother plant? See, what we usually do, suppose you see a beautiful plant somewhere and then you want similarly for yourself, don't cut it. What you can do is, see, I've pushed one branch into the mud. Okay, I've pushed one stem. This is a mother stem, and now after over a period this will create roots and you get an individual plant. See here, this is ready. I put in another small pot on a bigger pot, and here this is the mother, and you have to cut it here and cut it. You have to cut it here, that's all, the mother. And you can transfer this into a bigger pot, and you will you get a baby plant from a bigger plant. This is a better way, and this is how I did, and got so many plants here. Just see how many I've got. 1 Two, three. I think this I got from a plant in a building. I saw it so beautiful. I just kept a pot there, and pushed that into that. After a few days, I took it and I have transferred it to my bucket. And here you have tomatoes. Funny thing is, if I allow this to really ripen, the squirrels come and nibble it away. Another tomato here. And yesterday I have put some avarai here. Avarai in the sense, the same, beans I have showed you. Flat beans. This is a herbal plant. It's a very special and precious, which was not coming for a long time. And it's growing very slow, but then it will pick up, I hopefully. And this, my prized possession, these two. Every day in the morning I come here and I give it a real hug, and I feel so awesome. The energy from the plant, it comes to me. You must try gardening, I say. It's not very big deal. Don't think so much. No work. Just one plant you start. Just water it religiously. That's all. And I'll be sharing tips, what I did and how it all went about in my next videos. And today, what's a plan I have? Yes, Margadi started yesterday, so maybe I will put a rangoli. And I don't know what design I'm going to put. I always think on the spot. I don't plan. I'm a very impulsive kind of person. So I'm going to do kolam, and maybe I will share a kire recipe with you. Please excuse me if my video is very amateurish. I've just started, you see, and I'm not too good in this. I'm in no great hurry to catch a train or bus or to get subscribers. This is, my way of sharing things with all my friends and even other people. They can see and enjoy, and maybe you can pick up few things if you like it. So bye for now. Have an awesome day. Oh, I didn't show you my palak. No? Oh, this is my palak. See how nice these leaves. I use it for my veg smoothie. So tender, soft, and it's homegrown. What more you want? The reason to grow all these. Okay then. Bye. I'll do some exercise now. Have an awesome day.